Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video lo apnalokok swagotam janaisu. So let's start. First up ki koise maritime bills. So parliament dukhon maritime bill pass korise. First kon ki koise the merchant shipping bill 2024 and the carriers of goods by sea bill 2025. So this bill replaces outdated colonial era laws khini replace kori create koribo a modern globally compliant maritime framework. ঠিক আছে এটো মনত ৰাখিবা the merchant shipping bill 2024 এ replace koribo merchant shipping act 1958 আৰু carriers of goods by sea bill replace koribo Indian carriers of goods by sea act 1925 ঠিক আছে এটো মনত ৰাখিবা তাৰ পিছত it lays foundation to India's blue economy. So blue economy basically focuses on sustainable use of ocean resources for economic growth and environmental preservation. ঠিক আছে মনত ৰাখিবা so here yet eta MCQ dia ase consider the following statements regarding two maritime bills recently passed by Indian Parliament. Charita statement dia ase about the bills aru kongita correct hoy sabo lage. First to ki koise the merchant shipping bill 2024 replaces the merchant shipping act of 1958. Moi etu kolu already etu correct hoy ki replace koribo merchant shipping bill to merchant shipping act of 1958. Tapisot the carriers of goods by sea bill 2025 replaces the Indian carriers of goods by sea act 1925. Eto mo already kolu this is also correct. Third to ki koise both bills aim to strengthen India's internal waterway connectivity and subsidize coastal trade. This is not correct. Waterway connectivity strengthen koribole karone nohoy the bill focus on maritime security bill to kihot focus kore maritime security pollution control aru global legal alignment not island waterway connectivity or subsidy. So statement 3 is not correct. ঠিক আছে four to ki koise this legislation are aligned with international maritime convention to improve global competitiveness. So statement 4 is also correct. 1, 2 and 4 only will be the correct answer, that is option B. Next, Nijut Moina Asoni 2.0. So CM Himanta Biswa Sharma launched korile Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina Asoni 2.0, a flagship scheme to provide monthly financial aid to 4 lakh girl student. Kihor karone monthly financial aid dibo to 4 lakh girl students of ঠিক আছে across Assamot. Main aim to ki initiative to reduce child marriage, empower girls through higher education. Child marriage ekdom naikia korato main aim hoise by empowering them through higher education and expand coverage to central universities aru self financing courses kiniko cover koribo expand korise hoy na coverage expand korise ঠিক আছে students in higher secondary UG PG and B.Ed courses will receive 1000 to 2500 monthly support. So teuluke ki pohi ase hetu hisapot teuluke 1000 or pora 2500 or bitorot amount pabo monthly ঠিক আছে কিহৰ কাৰণে কি পঢ়ি থাকিলে পাব হায়াৰ সেকেন্ডাৰী যদি পঢ়ি আছে তাপা আন্ডাৰ গ্ৰেজুৱেট বা পোষ্ট গ্ৰেজুৱেচন কৰি আছে বা B.Ed কৰি আছে তেতিয়া এই এমাউন্টটো এইটো ভিতৰতে পাব ঠিক আছে monthly support এটা so এটা MCQ চাও Consider the following statements about the Mukhya Mantri Nijut Moina Asani 2.0 scheme launched in 2025. Here are 4 statements. Kungita correct term is sapalake. First to ki koise. It provides financial assistance only to girl students enroll in state government and university. So আমি already চালো যে কি কৈছে এতিয়া expand কৰিছে coverage expand কৰিছে to central university আৰু self finance courses or karne so statement 1 is not correct all state government or karne nohoy thik ase next to ki koise the scheme aims to eliminate child marriage in Assam by the year 2026 etu correct hai child marriage prevent koribo karne ei scheme tu bonwa hoise aru educational through the swalikinik empower koribo karne hoy na so statement 2 is correct third to ki koise students pursuing self-finance courses are not eligible under the scheme. Self-finance courses are central university like coverage expand course buli ami salu e hoy na so statement 3 is not correct. Yet not eligible buli koise so it is not correct thik ase financial support varies from 1000 to 2500 depending on the level of education. কোনটো লেভেলৰ এডুকেশন কৰি আছে হেতু ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰি এই এমাউন্ট কিটা ভিতৰতে পাব ঠিক আছে সো স্টেটমেন্ট 4 is correct 2 and 4 only will be the correct answer that is option B ya 2 and 3 বুলি দিয়া আছে কিন্তু এটো 2 and 4 হ'ব ঠিক আছে এই 3 টো ইনকারেক্ট হয় ওকে নেক্সট Next, he said, the Rajasthan Foundation Assam and Northeast chapter has announced the installation of statues of Lasit Borphukan in Jaipur and Kota. Jaipur aru Kota ki koribo statues banabo tar Lasit Borphukanor. Thik ase? This initiative supported by Rajasthan government. A initiative to Rajasthan government to support korise aru support korise 6 to honor the 17th century Ahom general's legacy and promote national unity ঠিক আছে আৰু এটা proposal aru kora hoise ki Rajasthanor school curriculumot teor life or bikhoye add kora to ঠিক আছে eto monot rakhiba so eta MCQ sao Consider the following statements regarding Lasit Borphukan. So here are 3 statements regarding Lasit Borphukan. Aru kongita correct hoy kobo lage. First to ki koise he led the Ahom forces to victory against Mughals in the Battle of Saraighat in 1671. This is true. Teo lead korisile hoy nai Ahom forces ok. Aru second to ki koise he was appointed as the Senapati commander-in-chief by King Pratap Singh. It's not correct. Pratap Singh hai teok appoint kora nasile. So statement 2 is not correct. Third to ki koise Lasit Borphukan is remembered for prioritizing national duty over family loyalty. Kyo teok monot pelwa jay karon teo national duty over family so uporot rakhisile hoy na nohoy. So statement 3 is correct. 1 and 3 only will be the correct answer. That is option A. Next, under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, around 16.51 lakh households have benefited from rooftop solar installation as of July 31, 2025. ঠিক আছে? The scheme launched in February 2024. এটো মনত ৰাখিবা কেতিয়া launch কৰা হৈছিলে February 2024 ত launch কৰা হৈছিলে তাৰ পিছত aims to cover 1 crore household by 26 to 27. One এতিয়া কি aim কৰি আছে to cover 1 crore household. ঠিক আছে? Maharashtra leads with the highest number of installation followed by Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. Lead kune kori ase etia? Maharashtra tar pisot followed by Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. Eto monot rakhiba. ঠিক আছে? Okay. So here are 4 statements regarding the Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. So here are 4 statements. Correct hoy sabo lage. The scheme was launched in 2022 to promote solar energy in government buildings. 2022 hoy jano ki asile February 2024 asile hoy na, so it is not correct. One is not correct. Second to ki hobo, it targets rooftop solar installation in 1 crore household by 2026 to 27. Yes, এতিয়া into কি 1 crore household cover কৰা. So statement 2 is correct. 3 to কি কৈছে, as of July 2025, Maharashtra has reported the highest number of rooftop solar installation under the scheme. Maharashtra lead কৰি আছে, followed by Gujarat and UP. হয় না? So statement 3 is correct. 4 to কি কৈছে, Arunachal, Meghalaya and Sikkim has reported the highest adoption of rooftop solar under the scheme. This is not true. Arunachal Pradesh nil ekdom kora nai. Meghalaya and Sikkim or bahut low hoy. So statement 4 is not correct. So 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer. That is option B. Next, the Philippines has lifted restriction on the import of basmati rice from India. Basmati rice import kora restriction, India par import kora restriction to lift kore dia hol. A high level delegation visited India and has talked with APEDA and IREF to boost agri-food trade ties. ঠিক আছে? Key items discussed for import include rice. Key items? Rice, buffalo meat, vegetable, fruits and peanuts, aiming to reduce dependence on China. ঠিক আছে? এটা হেৰি চাও. Basmati rice is primarily grown in which of the following region? So option B will be the correct answer, Indo-Gangetic plain. Next, Kartavya Bhavan. So PM Narendra Modi, Modiye ki korise, PM Modiye ki korise, inaugurate korile Kartavya Bhavan on August 6, 2025, marking the first building under Common Central Secretariat CCS. ঠিক আছে, first building etu মনত ৰাখিবা, first building under Common Central Secretariat, that is CCS, project of the Central Vista Redevelopment Plan. Etu মনত ৰাখিবা, Central Vista Redevelopment Plan. ঠিক আছে, the Bhavan will house multiple ministries to improve efficiency and replace outdated buildings like Sastri and Nirman Bhavan. 10 CCS buildings are planned with more to be completed soon. 10 CCS building plan kora hoise, ঠিক আছে? So here are 4 statements. Kungita correct hai ami sabo lage regarding Kartavya Bhavan and the Common Central Secretariat project. ঠিক আছে? The CCS project is a part of National Infrastructure Pipeline Scheme. This is correct. This is incorrect. Sorry. Hekarne moi ebar sai loisu. Hoboke confuse hoba, ami already salu hoy nai. It is a part of Central Vista, not National Infrastructure Pipeline. ঠিক আছে? Is a part of Central Vista, not National Infrastructure Pipeline Scheme. So 1 is not correct. 2 to ki koise Kartavya Bhavan 03 is the first building completed under CCS. This is true. Prothom building junto complete kora hoise under CCS. Hoy na, etu already salu ami. 3 to ki koise the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs plans to build 5 CCS building in total under the project. 5 নহয় কিমান আসলে 10 আসলে, ঠিক আছে? So statement 3 is not correct. 4 to ki koise ministries such as External Affairs, Home Affairs, MSME and Petroleum and Natural Gas will be housed in Kartavya Bhavan 03. Statement 4 is correct. 2 and 4 only will be the correct answer. Next, e-Sakshi portal launched by Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation on April 1, 2023 is revolutionizing Member of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme. কোনে এটো পোর্টাল কিহে লঞ্চ কৰিছিল এটো মনত ৰাখিবা মিনিষ্ট্ৰি অফ ষ্টেটিষ্টিক্স এণ্ড প্ৰগ্ৰাম ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশ্যন কেতিয়া অন এপ্ৰিল 1 2023 এটা ৰিভলিউশনাইজ কৰি আছে members of parliament local area development scheme fund management ঠিক আছে it enables কি কৰিবলৈ সহায় কৰে real time tracking digital approval and mobile based recommendation of MPs ঠিক আছে the portal integrates all project stages recommendation sanctions and execution into one seamless digital platform improving the transparency and efficiency. Okay, এটা MCQ দিয়া আছে e-Sakshi portal was launched to streamline the implementation of which scheme কোনটো scheme আছিলে that is option B to correct হ'ব ঠিক আছে MPLADS ঠিক আছে next Mrs. S. Radha Sohanok appoint kora hol as the new chairperson of the Capacity Building Commission. She is a retired IAS officer of the 1988 batch Uttar Pradesh. ঠিক আছে and previously served as the secretary of DOPT. She succeeded Sri Adil Jainubhai and will now oversee reforms under Mission Karam Yogi, focusing on standardizing and enhancing civil services capacity building. Mission Karam Yogi বিষয়ে আমি last হেৰিয়ত চাইছিলো হয় নাই current affairs চাইছিলো current affairs চাইছিলো so এটা MCQ who has been appointed as the new chairperson of capacity building commission that is BS Radha Sohan ৰাখিবা ঠিক আছে Okay, এটো এটা মেইনছৰ কোৱেশ্চন তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিব পাৰিবা স্ক্ৰিনশ্বট লৈ ল'ব পাৰা আৰু আজি আৰু নাই that's all for today thank you